Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about Royal High's Halloween update in Wickery Cliffs. And before we get into the video, make sure you're subscribed and ring the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload. So I'm going to be telling you guys everything you need to know and everything that's out right now in Royal High, and also maybe some conspiracies about what's coming, so stay tuned for that. First of all, as you can see, this is your candy amount over here. Oops, I accidentally clicked on the fountain. Right. This is the amount of candies you have, and candies are for buying the candy store items. So there's 14 new candy store items. We're going to take a look at them right now. There's 27 days left to collect candies and buy the candy store items, so make sure you farm as soon as you can. So they've included the old candy shop items as well as 14 new candy shop items, and these are all of them. They're so beautiful, and I hope I can get enough candies for all of them. And look at this ghosty transformation. That is so cool. So there's a ton of stuff that I really want to buy. I'm so excited for. Look at this otherworldly potion. Mimic the residents of afterlife with this otherworldly potion. After drinking, you'll be rendered near translucent. The only slight side effects are chronic belching, sneezing, and potion may cause head explosions in some very rare instances. Of course, we take no responsibility or liability for any dangerous side effects. Guys. Oh my gosh, I pressed try on and it froze my game. I tried on the potion. Guys, I'm invisible. I mean, not exactly, but whoa. Okay, this potion is so cool. So yeah, we're gonna have fun trying on literally everything from the new. The skirt is so cute. Okay, the stuff from the new candy store is amazing, and I hope I can get them. I mean, look at these. They're so cute. Let's wait for this back to load in. Ooh. Oh, I'm so excited for them. Okay, but you're not here to see me go over some candy store items, so we're gonna get out of here and I'm gonna show you guys some other stuff you need to know. So you must be asking, how do we earn candies? Just kidding, nobody asked that, but if you're asking, this is how you earn candies. There are two ways, and one of them is to go apple bobbing. So just choose any of these stalls that says apple bobbing right here. For some reason they're not working for me. I hope they work now, but walk up to it and you have to press play. Oh gosh, I can't talk. You have to press play apple bobbing and it will, oh, it's working now. It will bob the apples and you either get 10 apples or nothing. So, and I got nothing. So it's pretty tough to farm apples now. Wait, candies. Why am I saying apples? It's pretty tough to farm candies now because I literally played it twice and I didn't get any candies. We're gonna try again and see if we get any candies this time. And I got nothing. So it's pretty difficult to farm candies this year because they've updated it and it's much harder. And I've done that 4 times and I still haven't gotten any candies. So apple bobbing might not be an option for you guys because it's pretty difficult, and I just got 10 candies after 4 tries. So that's difficult. Next, I'm going to show you the candy to diamonds conversion stall. So right over here, you're going to see someone standing inside, and it's called the Diamonds, is it Gemma's Diamond Exchange. Super cute. And you walk up to her, you can exchange candy for diamonds. So let's see the conversion rate. 1 candy equals 3 diamonds, so if you don't want to keep the candies, you can go ahead and convert your candies into diamonds. Though I think since it's pretty hard to earn candies, you shouldn't convert them, but it's all up to you, you know. Next up we need to know is the chests. There are a total of 5 chests in this update, in this map that's been found so far, and I only found 5. So make sure to go watch my video on where all the chest locations are. It's really clear and detailed and easy to follow, so I will link that in the description or in the eye in the corner right now. So you make sure to go check that out. Yeah. And so we've covered that. Next up, I'm going to show you the second method to get candies. Now this isn't that, what's the word? Reliable as well for collecting candies, but you only have 2 options anyways, so you're gonna have to choose either one, or you can do both. So the next method, you have to walk through this Wickery Cliffs area and just walk up, and that will be where all the houses are, and this is where you do the trick or treating. So just walk up to any house and you're gonna have to click on ring a doorbell, and they will either give you trick or treat. So what I got so far is about 4 to 6 or 8 candies per house, so it's still pretty difficult. And the thing is, they might not give you candies, because last year you would either die or get candies, which is so dark. But I guess I ring up. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. I'm sorry guys, I'm so excited about this update. Wow. But I hope we don't die this year. I haven't got trick instead of treat yet, so we're gonna see if we get trick and we end up dying or something. I think actually ringing doorbells is much easier to get candies for me, right now at least, compared to the apple bobbing, because I did the apple bobbing so much and I only got 10 candies, but so far I've gotten quite a lot of candies from these people throwing them out of their houses. Can you imagine this in a real scenario though? Like you ring someone's doorbell and they literally just throw some glowing candy at you and close their door. Actually, that probably happens to people. I don't know. I've never been trick-or-treating actually. But yeah, I should probably stop rambling. Basically you can't go back to the houses you already went to. There's like, oh, there's about 1 minute. So you have to wait about 1 minute, so you have to go through all those houses first. So that's the trick-or-treating. And what else do we need to show you guys? Right. The realm is actually not Autumn Town. It is now Wickery Cliffs. So it's a new realm. It's not Autumn Town. So I don't know if Autumn Town will ever come back. Probably not, but maybe in the future. So it's now called Wickery Cliffs, and it's right over here. So that's done. Next up, there's a lot of cute little hidden stuff in this map, like this cool summoning Satan thing here, right? It's so crazy. Look at this. I don't know what this is for, but wow, that looks spooky. And then we have this little movie area, which is so cool that the Royale High devs actually made a cute little movie, and you can go ahead and sit, and there's this glowing orb that I think is like the magical projector or something. I don't know, but you can sit with your friends and pretend to watch a movie, although I can't sit on any of this. I don't know why. Yeah, there's that. There's also this spooky dock, which I think something might come in the future, because I don't think they would leave a dock empty over here. There's also something else. If you're curious like me and you followed along the entire road, it will lead you to something special. So I'm going to show you guys that right now. We're gonna follow along this road. Wait, actually I think I got lost. Hang on a second. Okay, over here, we're gonna follow along the road. Keep going. Oh gosh, why is the flying in Wickery Cliffs completely broken? It's bonkers. It's like I can't I can't move where I want to go, you know, and now I'm lost. Oh gosh, I can't remember where I came from. I guess that's why they give you cars. For people who don't have faster flying, a car would be a better option, but I'm not very good with driving cars. So I'm just gonna follow along the road. Oh, here we are. Gosh, flying in Wickery Cliffs is completely just broken. Anyway, we're here, and as you can see, it's a haunted mansion and coming spookily soon. That's what it says. It so reminds me of the Addams Family house for some reason, but it's super cute and super royal high, and it is a mansion. Actually, can we just go explore that real quick? It is a spooky little mansion. Oh my gosh. Guys, I went in. I can... Guys! I got in! Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Can I go inside? Will I spoil things? Guys, should I? Anyway, this is the spooky mansion that I don't know if it will be a maze. Will we get a Halloween maze this year? I'm not sure. But basically, I got in using my camera. What do you guys think this will be? I don't know. I mean, it's... Are you guys thinking what I'm thinking? So you're gonna have to stay tuned for the next video to see what's inside this haunted mansion. But anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned a lot from this video, and I hope I covered everything you need to know. Oh, and the Halloween halo is here. Yeah, that's the final thing, I think. And there's probably a Halloween set coming soon. There's also more events in Halloween, Royal Halloween, so stay tuned for that. I'm definitely gonna make a video about everything. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. And I'm saying "and" a lot. Bye!